Let's see how to fix iQOO Z10X mobile network not available. Step 1. Airplane mode on off. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on Settings Management. Click on the Reset option. Click Reset Mobile Network. Then click Reset Settings. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Open your SIM card and clean it. Now clean your SIM card with a rubber and eraser. Step 5. Go to Settings. Click on Mobile Network. Reset your app settings. Turn off on. Change preferred network. Your mobile network is now available.